So here we have a PIC32 synthesizer, which creates sounds using direct digital synthesis of a sine table. We also have several effects which we apply to the waveform. So one effect is FM synthesis, which modifies the phase of the waveform using another sinusoid. One is flanging, which mixes the signal with a delayed signal, and the delay is modified using a sawtooth wave. One is a sustain, which makes it sound like an organ. And one is repeat mode, which you're hearing right now, which repeats a series of notes over and over again. We also have 13 keys, which we use to play a keyboard, and potentiometers to modify different effects, the pitch, and the tempo of repeat mode.
All right, so as you can see here, we have a ton of peripheral connections. Up here we have 3 potentiometers, which can change effects in real time, such as tempo, or such as pitch. Tempo, which will speed it up.
I'll slow it down, actually.
Or slow it down. And here we have an effects potentiometer, which, based on the inputs from this cycle button and enter button, can affect different parameters in synthesis, which will change the way the keyboard sounds. Now, we had to change a part to the way that we had to connect each pins. So these 6 buttons are all connected to one pin via an analog mux. These 3 potentiometers each have a channel of the ADC, which are represented by a peripheral pin each, and all of these keyboard pins are connected with the PIC32's port expander, which allows us to have a full keyboard.
Okay.
Okay, to display all those effects, we use the TFT LCD screen, and to make our system very easy to carry, so we just connected it to the power supply, which is the 12 volt, and
you ended up laser cutting this
yes,
control panel so that you could mount all of the stuff on there, right?
Yep.
Okay, so change the potentiometer again so I can hear the live pitch shift.
And you can also play this live if you're not in repeat mode.
Okay, so now take it out of repeat mode and play it live.
So we have chords and everything, so like a major fifth, and octave, and like ugly dissonant chords too. So right now we're in sustain mode, and we can turn that off by pressing this button here. And now you see it's like a piano. There's going to be a decay, which we implement using like this exponential Euler integration thing. And you can also, FM, since this is off right now, we can turn it back on. Got the nice guitar effect. And I think flanging is also on, so we can turn that off. And that sort of takes out some of the reverb that was going on with flanging. And you can also still change everything live, so that's a lower note. And if you ever wanted to change like the parameters that affect like flanging, FM synthesis, and the decay and attack times of each note, you can use one of our potentiometers.
Very cool. It has nice sound.
Thank you.
Yeah.